Do you know the importance of mutual understanding? Let me tell you. There must be a mutual understanding among those living or working together in a family, organization, office, or a factory in order to run the system in a proper way. Mutual understanding among the people working together in a madrasa, jamia, or in an educational department or office, etc., plays a key role in the development of that institution. On the other hand, a lack of mutual understanding causes many problems. What is mutual understanding? When the people who live or work together understand and take care of each other's feelings and emotions, such as their likes, dislikes, joys, and sorrows, etc., it is called mutual understanding. Here we have some advantages of mutual understanding. If there is a mutual understanding among family members, it will create loving home environment. All family members can share their problems and difficulties with each other and consult with each other regarding their matters without hesitation. Speed and quality of work in an office, factory, or any organization increases, and the organization makes progress if there is an environment of unity and mutual understanding. Mutual understanding amongst teachers, head, and staff members of a jamia or madrasa or any educational department improves the standard of education and a friendly atmosphere is established. In short, wherever there is an understanding, it will bring about only benefits. And here we have the disadvantage of not having mutual understanding. If there is a lack of mutual understanding at home, all family members feel uncomfortable. They are afraid of sharing their problems and troubles with their family members and hesitate to consult with them. If such an environment is found in an office or factory, it affects the production and the progress. If such a situation is found in a jamia or in any educational department, so it not only leaves a negative impact on the standard of education, but it also damages the personality of students. I would like to share some Madani pearls about how to create a mutual understanding. To establish an atmosphere of mutual understanding, it is very helpful to remember the following two blessed ahadith. The final Prophet ﷺ said, "O Anas, respect elders and be kind to young ones. You will have my company in paradise." The final Prophet ﷺ says, "He is not from my ummah who does not respect our elders and does not have mercy on our young ones and does not recognize the rights of our scholars," means does not respect our scholars. Dear viewers, there are usually two types of people in the home or office, etc. Some are elderly or have high status, and some are young or have low status. If everyone behaves respectfully with elders and shows love and kindness towards young ones, inshallah ta'ala, many problems will automatically be resolved. I plead with all devotees of the Prophet ﷺ to be kind and respectful. With good intentions, respect your elders and be kind to your young ones. Inshallah, it will help you to create mutual understanding with the people related to you, and you will get many benefits in the world and the hereafter. May Allah Azza wa Jal bless us with the goodness of both this world and the hereafter for the sake of the beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Ameen. Bijahi Nabiyil Ameen sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel.